Hello, this is Eddie with Fast Eddie's Appliance Repair. We're here in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. We're looking at the Samsung refrigerator. It's not cooling on either the refrigerator or the freezer section. When I got here, the display was blinking temperature, basically saying it was hot, running hot. See here, I started to run it to reset it so to go in diagnostics. It has not started the compressor. So I'm going to go ahead and take apart the backboard and see if we can see what the compressor inverter is doing. Okay, you got the back panel here. Got a screw here and a screw here. Go ahead and take them out. Now on the back of this unit we have the diagnostics and information for the diagnostics. Got your schematic and everything right on the back of this one. Okay, you can see that LED is not lighting up at all. And we go right down here to the diagnostics. It says normally operation is continuously on. So we at least should have the light should be on at least, if not blinking. So that tells us is right now that board is either dead or has no power to it. So our next step is confirming power to it. I'll get the voltometer. All right, guys. On that gray and red wire there, on that red plug, the gray, and then the red wire, that should be your voltage. And we got 120. Now I went ahead and ohmed out that fuse, and it's got good. It says it's good fuse, so it means just the board is not good. So that's our problem with this. There's no the compressor inverter's bad. Let's pull this board off and just look at it here real quick. Well, I would say that thing got hot. That is crazy. I've never seen that before. There might be a bad compressor involved too. We're not going to know that though until we put a board on it. That board sits just like that. You'd think the heat would be right here, but it's all right in here. I guess it's like right in this area. Wow. So I'd say that's bad. Okay, so get this board out. Like you unplug all your plugs there. Got 3 of them. But to get that board out, little tab here. And it kind of folds out. Slide the new board in. Plug in your wires. Alright, we got this, the lights on, you can see. It should be good to go. I've already got the compressor running. Now I want to tell you guys another place to check. You probably should check before you place that PCB. Is if you notice right there, there's an overload that does not connect to the compressor. It comes off this line. If you go, you have these 2 lines right here, okay, which is your power. But one of them goes right in the board, comes right back out the brown wire, goes down to the overload and comes back on the blue wire. Okay, so you got to check. When you check this, the best way to check it, instead of checking gray to red, you would check gray to blue, and make sure that's how you'd make sure you got power to that board. So my first original check was not the best one, but we did correct it. The light is on, and we got a compressor running, so well, we're good to go. I'm gonna put this panel on, obviously 2 screws. And we should be ready to go. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you're in the Tulsa area. Need appliance repair. Numbers 918-951-6001. Thanks. Bye.